The electronic universal testing machine meets the requirements of standards of non-metallic material such as all kinds of plastic goods and pipes and so on. This sample of material such as plastic, waterproof stuffs, textile goods, rubber can do the tests of stretching, compressing, bleeding, and so on. This sample of material, such as pipes, can do the tests of flat, ring stiffness, creep ratio, ring tensile strength, and so on. Now I start to introduce makeup of the whole machine and the function of each component. This is an upper crossbeam. This is a moving crossbeam. There is a T-plate at the bottom of the moving crossbeam, and the upper clamp will be fixed on this plate. This is a limit protection device, which can prevent the moving crossbeam from overrunning the position of upper or lower limit, and can make it stop at the set position. This device is made up of the limit rod, the upper and lower limit, the shifting fork, and the limit switch. When the limit switch moving up and down, it comes up against the limit. The moving crossbeam will stop automatically. This is a large deformation device. We will show it at the tensile test. This is an inner diameter measuring device. We will show it at the ring stiffness test. This is a baseboard, and this is a lower connecting set. The lower clamp of most clamps will be fixed on it. This is an emergency stop switch. When tests appearing abnormal conditions and not shutting down normally, please press down this button to protect this machine. After the abnormal conditions are excluded, please rotate this button clockwise and it will bounce automatically, and then you can go on doing tests. This is a power switch which is in off state. When you toggle it upwards, the indicate light will be in on state and the testing machine will be in on state. Now we look at the back of this machine. This is a motor. This is a circuit board. We will show it at the section of circuit connecting. Now we show the circuit connecting of the circuit board. This is a connecting port of the manually operated case, and it is 15 core. Input this socket of the case into this port, screw it down. This 7-core socket is a connecting port for large deformation or inner diameter measuring device. According to the need, choose to use which communication wire. This 3-core socket is a computer communication port, which connects the test machine with a serial port of a computer. This is a fuse. This 3-core socket is a power port which connects the testing machine with a power device. Thus, we have introduced our circuit connecting of this testing machine. Every machine must have accessories, so you firstly check whether these accessories are complete. They include communication wire, manually operated case, serial port connection wire, and power wire. Now we show the ordinary compression clamp. It is mainly used for compression of the whole plate or the whole sample. Next, we show function of each component. This set of clamp includes 3 parts. This is a link sheath. This is a lower press block. This is an up press head. When installing this clamp, first, fix the link sheath on the lower link set of the hot machine. Then, put the lower press block into the link sheath and make their spherical surfaces inoculate. At last, fix the up press head on the T-plate of the hot machine through the screw thread. Now we show installation of the compression clamp. First, insert the support sheath into the base set. And then put the lower press block with the located spherical surface on the support sheath, and adjust them till their spherical surfaces are inoculating. Then, screw the up press head on the T-plate of the crossbeam. Put the sample on the lower press block, and make the centers of the lower press block and the up press head coincide together. At last, move the crossbeam by the manually operated case to make the surface of the up press head contact with the upper surface of the sample. Now, this interface you see is a main window of the software. I simply show you function of the labels and the buttons. The detailed explanation will be shown later. This is an exit button. Its function is to quit from the test program. This is an open button. Its function is to open a saved test data. There shows that each extension name of these data files should match with the type of test data. Choose a data file, and when it's open, you will open a saved data. This is a Save button. Its function is to save current test data. The file name is default one by the software products, including year, month, day, dash, hour, and minute. If the file to store is just the open file, the file name will be a default name and also be inputted from keyboard. Each extension name of the data files should be same as the one you open.